It's time to watch some TV. Let's put on the news. Welcome back to EAS Network. It's currently a beautiful 55 degrees out. But anyways, so it's a beautiful day to talk about politics. So the mayor of Brookhaven is planning to leave office as the The following message is transmitted at the request of the Madison County Geological Survey and the Madison County government. At approximately 7:25 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Madison County Geological Survey has detected numerous aftershocks of a 6.7 magnitude earthquake that hit Red Cliff City not too long ago. These aftershocks caused seismic volcanic activity over at the Madison, the Brookhaven volcano over by Madison Lake. This volcano is expected to produce some volcanic ash and other dangerous chemicals and stuff into the atmosphere. If you live in Brookhaven or 500 miles from Brookhaven, you are advised to evacuate the area and just move. If you are more than 500 miles away from the volcano or Brookhaven itself, you are advised to seek shelter. If you are any further, you should stay vigilant. This is a dangerous and life-threatening eruption. Pyroclastic flows and ash are dangerous. Pyroclastic flows are flows that shed lava into the city and other areas. Lava will flow into Brookhaven and cause significant damage to buildings. Lava is very hot. You have 20 minutes to evacuate before the pyroclastic flows start. Repeating, you have 25 minutes to evacuate before the pyroclastic flows start. I think they didn't tell us. I guess 25 minutes really isn't a lot of time to leave, isn't it? 25 minutes. 25 minutes really is not a lot of time. It really isn't. It is not a lot of time. I think I know a secret bunker that I could go into. But the Brookhaven volcano is expected to erupt, and I need to get to the airport. I think I'll just evacuate via boat. That's fine. I mean, plane isn't very viable because it just isn't. So I think a speedboat would be great for the evacuation procedure. Bye-bye, cruel world. Bye-bye, Brookhaven. I'll see you later. Or never. Welcome back to the waterfall show, where we show off beautiful, beautiful waterfalls. It's a beautiful day outside today. Welcome back to Bayview News, reporting to you live from downtown Bayview. Over in Brookhaven, the Brookhaven volcano erupted and causing the death of tens of thousands. So, a lot of people died. And, well, yeah. So, that's great. Oh, yeah, and pyroclastic flows have been reported across the Madison County area and beyond. So yeah, expect pyroclastic flows. Oh yeah, and the Bayview supervolcano is experiencing some volcanic activity due to a undersea volcanic eruption that caused a 3.5 magnitude earthquake that struck Bayview not too long ago. You could have experienced some light to moderate shaking and earthquake, moderate shaking expected in 10 seconds. Boop, boop. Earthquake, moderate shaking expected in 15 seconds. Bah, bah. Earthquake, moderate shaking expected in 5 seconds. Earthquake, moderate shaking expected in 1 second. Earthquake. Drop, cover, hold. Drop, cover, hold. You survived an earthquake. Bah! Why did an earth... The following message is transmitted at the request of the Bayview Geological Survey and the Bayview Emergency Management Agency at approximately 2:25 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Mountain Standard Time. The Bayview supervolcano has experienced severe volcanic activity due to a 5.7 magnitude earthquake that just struck Bayview. Earthquake. Severe shaking expected in 10. Just kidding. Anyways, so mass evacuations have been occurring across the state of Bayview and beyond. So expect mass evacuations to happen as time progresses. Evacuate, repeating, evacuate. The Bayview supervolcano is expected to erupt in the next 15 minutes. Repeating, the Bayview supervolcano is expected to erupt in 15 minutes. Evacuate. The Everything Canadian government and all of its forces will be coming to help with the evacuation procedures. Okay, alright, well, guess it's time to get out of Bayview, too. What, is it like V-Day or something? Ugh. My stupid smart car. Hold on. I get my Tesla. Can't believe this. The Bayview supervolcano is erupting. That's right. The Bayview supervolcano is erupting in 10 minutes. Earthquake, earthquake. Severe shaking expected in 10 seconds. Are you kidding me? Right as I get to the airport. Earthquake, earthquake. Severe shaking expected in 10 seconds. Earthquake, earthquake. Severe shaking expected in 10 seconds. Earthquake, earthquake. Severe shaking expected in 4 seconds. Earthquake, earthquake. Severe shaking expected in 1 second. Earthquake, earthquake. Earthquake, earthquake. I just saw that bank collapse. Yup, we're getting out of here, boys. We are 100% leaving Bayview. Yup, that's right. I am leaving for good.
I grew up on a lot of old school hip hop.
I am just
one of the original rap songs is Rapper's Delight. I love that song. Because they're not bragging about, their cars, the size of a woman's posterior, or how many times they can use a bathroom in one day.
The following message was transmitted at the request of the
I don't mean to brag, I don't mean to boast, but I like
Crime City Emergency Management, the Crime County Geological Survey, and the Crime County Government at approximately 5:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. A 7.2 magnitude earthquake hit Bayview a couple minutes ago, causing the Bayview supervolcano to erupt. Another 6.7 magnitude earthquake hit Brookhaven not too long ago either, causing the Brookhaven volcano to erupt. It is a weird chain of coincidences, considering that seismic and volcanic activity have both been common quite recently. And because of this, it is expected that another 3 earthquake, severe shaking is expected in 10 seconds. Drop, cover, hold on. Drop, cover, hold on. Earthquake, severe shaking expected in 8 seconds. Drop, cover, hold on. Drop, cover, hold on. Earthquake, severe shaking expected in 6 seconds. Drop, cover, hold on. Drop, cover, hold on. Earthquake, severe shaking expected in 4 seconds. Drop, cover, hold on. Drop, cover, hold on. Earthquake, severe shaking expected in 2 seconds. Drop, cover, hold on. Drop, cover, hold on. Earthquake, severe shaking expected in 0 seconds. Drop, cover, hold on. Drop, cover, hold on. Earthquake ended. Aftershocks expected. We interrupt your regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important details and information will follow. The following message was transmitted at the request of the Crime Government at approximately 6:13 p.m. Central Standard Time. Numerous 4.5 to 10.2 magnitude earthquakes were detected in numerous areas across the globe. Also, numerous volcanoes, and even more that we don't know about, have erupted. erupted simultaneously and causing ash buildup in the atmosphere. Poisonous gases and other things are in the atmosphere. So avoid going outside until the Evan government and all the forces and governments come around to evacuate citizens. Until then, it is imperative that you stay indoors and avoid going outside to avoid breathing harmful chemicals. Stay indoors and avoid going outside today. Cover all structural damaging holes with damp towels and other things. Turn off all air conditioning and heating units. And close off our snappers and windows and doors. It'll likely be very cold for the next couple years until the ash clears. Thank you for your time. Are you kidding me? Now I have to stay inside because of some stupid... People keep destroying my fences and I want to go out and kill them, but I can't. And I can't close these doors either because I just can't. So now I'm breathing... I guess I can't die. Us stickmen don't have noses. So we're fine to continue living our normal lives. It might be a bit of an inconvenience, but that's okay. What in the world happened here? I didn't cause any of this. I'll just let it be clear. I'll let it be clear now that I didn't cause any of these issues. But I will send this car flying in the air to get it out of the way. Hopefully. Are you kidding me? I'm getting shot at. I did nothing wrong. This is my self-defense, but I'm gonna get on this dirt bike and head to the airport. I'm gonna go to Carson City International Airport so I can head to Carson City. Because everywhere there's a volcano except Carson City. Carson City doesn't have a volcano. Pretend the city is destroyed, but the airport is fine, and it's sustained 0 damage. Everyone is still okay, except the whole city and all of its buildings are destroyed. At least my planes are alright. I'm just gonna get the ZNY-20, or whatever. Time to fly to Carson City. It's gonna be a wild journey. I can't fly, the plane's destroyed. But I can operate this spider mech. I think I already have enough of these. I don't need another one, but I'm just gonna swim to Car City, if that makes any sense. Time to swim. Bye-bye, Crime City. It's gonna take forever. But I gotta deal with it. I'm swimming! Look at me! All wet. But we made it to Car City. Oh, all the opportunities in the world. I have a car up here in this garage that I can drive. Earthquake. No, I'm not listening to that. There can't be tectonic plates. The city's on a tectonic plate. Yes, the Honda Civic, a beautiful vehicle. I'm gonna turn on the radio. You are listening to KBVC 57 Radio and NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards, KBVC 52. Now playing Fire Song by I Don't Know. Earthquake. Severe shaking expected in 3 seconds. Earthquake. Severe shaking expected in 1 second. Earthquake. Severe shaking now. Ugh, are you kidding me? Another earthquake. How many earthquakes am I gonna go through? Enough. Stop. Stop what? What? It's me. The spirit that has always been haunting you. Let's drive your car. No spirit, no. How did you get control of my car? I asked you to give me the password to your vehicle, so yeah. You are kidding me, man. Why are you driving me into the ocean? Listen, dude, I don't mean any harm. I just don't want to die here, okay, man? Let's talk this out, alright? It's too late now. You survived all the earthquakes I put you through, and you know it. So it's time you suffer the consequences of your actions, and it's time for you to drown. But, no, don't do this. Please don't put me in the ocean. Please, I already see the water coming up into my vehicle. No, please. This is all... Did you seriously hydro lock my vehicle? No, you're all wet and you're stuck. Ugh. Stop trying to start your car. Stupid. every volcano has erupted and every nuclear bomb has exploded. A nuclear and volcanic winter shall begin. Everything's already been evacuated multiple times, so if you haven't evacuated it, then tough luck for you. Tough luck? What did I do to deserve, quote, tough luck? I didn't do anything. Well... Well, I guess I'm stuck here. Bye-bye.